Today, we explore the miraculous transformation of your body when using castor oil for 7 consecutive days. Especially for those over 40, this natural golden liquid promises incredible rejuvenation, replacing harsh chemicals with pure, ancient healing powers. Have you ever wondered what happens inside your body when you massage castor oil onto your skin every single day? Let us embark on a fascinating 7-day journey to witness the profound physical changes and deep cellular detoxification processes. Day 1 begins with a gentle massage over your abdomen, awakening the lymphatic system and preparing your liver for cleansing. The thick, rich oil penetrates deeply through your skin layers, initiating a powerful, natural detox without any harsh internal reactions. By day 2, your liver function starts improving significantly, flushing out accumulated toxins that make you feel tired and sluggish. You might notice a subtle shift in your energy levels as your body successfully eliminates harmful waste materials more efficiently. This ancient remedy works quietly but effectively, supporting your internal organs to function optimally without relying on expensive medical treatments. Moving into day 3, the focus shifts to your skin, where magical transformations begin to unfold right before your eyes. Castor oil stimulates collagen production naturally, helping to restore elasticity and firmness to aging skin that has lost its glow. Those stubborn dark spots and age marks slowly begin to fade away, revealing a much brighter and more even complexion. By day 4, fine lines and deep wrinkles appear visibly softened, giving your face a beautifully refreshed and youthful appearance. Your skin feels incredibly smooth and deeply hydrated, proving that nature holds the best secrets for anti-aging and lasting beauty. Forget about expensive chemical creams. This simple oil provides intense moisture and healing properties that synthetic products simply cannot match. As we reach day 5, the incredible benefits extend beyond the skin, reaching deep into your aching joints and muscles. If you suffer from morning stiffness or joint pain, massaging castor oil helps reduce inflammation and restores your natural mobility. The ricinoleic acid in the oil acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, soothing swollen joints and easing physical discomfort. Day 6 brings remarkable improvements to your digestive system, offering gentle relief from uncomfortable constipation without causing harsh side effects. Unlike aggressive chemical laxatives, castor oil packs placed on the stomach promote natural bowel movements and restore healthy gut function. Your digestion becomes smoother, and the heavy, sluggish feeling in your stomach is replaced by a wonderful sense of lightness. This holistic approach ensures that your body heals from the inside out, creating a perfect environment for optimal nutrient absorption. Finally, we arrive at day 7, the culmination of your natural healing journey, where your body achieves true internal balance. You wake up feeling completely regenerated, with a profound sense of vitality and renewed energy flowing through your entire system. The constant fatigue is gone, replaced by a vibrant spirit and a healthier physical state that you can truly feel. Your skin is glowing, your joints move freely, and your digestive system functions perfectly, all thanks to one simple ingredient. This miraculous 7-day transformation highlights the incredible power of nature to heal, restore, and rejuvenate our bodies safely today. For centuries, traditional healers have relied on castor oil to cure various ailments, long before modern pharmaceuticals dominated our lives. It is time we reconsider our heavy dependence on synthetic medications and chemical cosmetics that often bring unwanted side effects. Returning to natural remedies like castor oil allows us to work in harmony with our body instead of fighting it. The key to success with this treatment is consistency. Applying it daily ensures the active compounds build up and work. Whether used as a warm compress or massaged directly, the oil penetrates deeply to deliver its powerful healing properties effectively. Many people over 40 have reported life-changing results, finding relief from chronic conditions they thought they had to accept. Embracing this simple, affordable, natural solution can save you from spending thousands on expensive treatments and complicated modern skincare routines. Imagine waking up every morning with clear skin, pain-free joints, and a perfectly balanced digestive system working in harmony. This is not just a temporary fix. It is a sustainable lifestyle choice that promotes long-term health and wellness. Nature has always provided the best medicine, and castor oil is undoubtedly one of its most potent and versatile gifts. By incorporating this golden liquid into your daily routine, you are taking a powerful step towards holistic and natural healing. Listen to your body as it responds to this gentle care, rewarding you with increased energy and a radiant appearance. Share this incredible natural secret with your friends and family, helping them discover the profound benefits of pure castor oil. Let us shift our mindset away from quick chemical fixes and embrace the slow, steady, and lasting power of nature. Your body is a temple, and treating it with pure, natural ingredients is the highest form of self-care possible. We hope this 7-day journey inspires you to explore more natural alternatives for your everyday health and beauty needs. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of castor oil and its miraculous effects on the human body. Stay healthy, embrace nature, and keep watching Video Creator for more amazing wellness secrets. Have a wonderful and vibrant day.